Welcome to Database Management Essentials, the first course in the specialization Data Warehousing for Business Intelligence. I'm excited to be your instructor for this course and 3 other courses in the specialization. My involvement with database technology and education spans more than 35 years in academic positions, consulting, and research. My work in this specialization is an extension of teaching database management for 32 years and data warehouse development for 15 years, along with writing a textbook to support both courses. It is my pleasure and privilege to share my excitement and extensive background to help you embark on an adventure towards a rewarding and challenging career as a data warehouse or business intelligence professional. This course provides important prerequisite background for the other courses that cover details of data warehousing and business intelligence. This lesson provides a context for your effort in this course. You should reflect on this lesson as you work through the details of this course. Through this lesson, you should gain a perspective on the position of this course in the specialization, grasp the target learners for this course and the specialization, and understand the broad objectives and prerequisite background for this course. The specialization, Data Warehousing for Business Intelligence, provides a unified and comprehensive foundation about data warehousing and business intelligence. Students and working professionals who aspire to careers involving data warehouses and business intelligence should find this specialization useful. The courses in the specialization balance concepts, management practices, technology advancements, and technical skills, along with a capstone project to integrate across courses. Overall, the specialization provides an exceptional coverage to provide the foundation to realize the bright promise of careers in data warehousing and business intelligence. Here is a brief description of the courses in the specialization. The first course provides database management background to support the details about data warehouses and business intelligence in the other 4 courses. If you already have a previous database course or substantial industry background, this course may be skipped. The second course covers project management concepts, data warehouse design techniques, data models, and data integration concepts and tools. The third course covers analytical queries, physical design, and summary data management, key features provided in relational database management systems to support data warehouses. The fourth course covers decision-making concepts, business intelligence platforms, business reporting and visualization, and business performance management. The fifth course provides a capstone project to integrate the skills and concepts from the other courses in the specialization. A case study derived from an actual business intelligence project will be featured in Course 5. The specialization targets students and working professionals who aspire for careers in data warehouses and business intelligence. A basic background in database management is necessary to master details about data warehouses and business intelligence. This first course provides the essential background for targeted learners who lack basic database background. Business professionals and university students without an introductory database course or comparable professional experience need this course. Information technology professionals and students in computing majors with an introductory database course or job training about database concepts should be able to skip this course. A background in database management is essential for a career in business intelligence. This course provides the foundation for students without a previous course in database management. You will first learn about database characteristics and features of database management systems. After this background material, your learning will focus on skills for database definition, query formulation, data modeling, and refinements of database designs through conversion and analysis of unwanted redundancy. Through mastery of basic database concepts and skills, you should be able to reflect on guidelines and goals for query formulation, redundancy elimination, and data modeling. This course is not intended as an introductory computing course. Learners should have background in basic computing concepts and personal computing applications. No computer programming experience is required, as no computer programming assignments or concepts are covered. However, computer programming background does indicate an aptitude for some of the detailed concepts and skills covered in this course. This course provides essential background on database management concepts and skills for the specialization on data warehousing for business intelligence. You will develop skills for database creation, query formulation, and database development. These skills will be extended in other courses of the specialization. This course provides a foundation for the start of your journey towards a challenging and rewarding career as a data warehouse or business intelligence professional.